The linkage industry is not one single industry. Instead, it describes how different businesses and industries are connected. Think of it like a giant web. Each thread in the web is a business. Each connection point shows how one business depends on another. These connections are very important. They help businesses work together. They allow goods and services to move from raw materials to the final customer. Understanding this web is crucial for any business that wants to succeed in today's complex economic environment, as it reveals both opportunities and potential vulnerabilities within the broader system of commerce. This web of connections plays a vital role in any economy, large or small. When one business produces something, it often becomes an input for another business. For example, a farmer grows cotton. A textile mill then uses that cotton to make fabric. A clothing company then uses that fabric to make shirts. Each step is linked. This chain of activities is fundamental to how our economies function. It helps create jobs and generate wealth. The strength and efficiency of these linkages can significantly impact a region's economic health and its ability to compete on a global scale. The concept of linkages helps us see the bigger picture of economic activity. It is not just about individual companies operating in isolation. Instead, it is about a system of companies that rely on each other. A car manufacturer, for instance, relies on hundreds of other companies. These companies supply parts like tires, engines, and electronics. If one supplier has a problem, it can affect the car manufacturer. This interconnectedness is a key feature of modern economies. Recognizing these dependencies is the first step towards managing them effectively and building more resilient operations. Therefore, the linkage industry is essentially the study of these relationships. It helps us understand how value is created and distributed across different sectors. It shows why cooperation between businesses can be as important as competition. For business leaders, understanding these linkages means they can make better strategic decisions. They can identify key partners, potential risks in their supply chains, and new opportunities for collaboration. This understanding provides a foundational perspective for strategic planning and for developing a competitive advantage in the marketplace. It allows businesses to position themselves more effectively within their respective value chains. Let's consider a clear example, the automotive industry. This industry shows linkages very well. It starts with companies that extract raw materials like iron ore for steel or crude oil for plastics. These raw materials are then processed by other businesses. Steel mills turn iron ore into steel sheets.